This is a 2012 Buick Enclave, and today we'll show you how to replace a computer on this thing. So first you want to pop the hood. You pop the hood, you then need to open it. Right, got a small lock on the bottom of the trunk, so you want to press on that, put it on the side, and then you can open up the hood. This lock works just like this. Put it on the side. This is the computer, or the PCM engine control module. This is the computer that controls your engine. With this computer, you got two connectors. One is on the top, the other one is on the bottom, and you need to disconnect that, but that is not enough. If you want properly to take out this computer without damaging any of the components, you will also need to take out two of the clips once you would disconnect the connectors. These two clips are located on the casing, so remove one clip, remove the second clip, and there you go. Got the computer. Again, one clip, disconnect, second clip, disconnect. Good, you got a computer. You're not damaging anything. This is a proper way of taking it out. By the way, we also got modules that are available in the store for Buick or Chevy or any GM car in general. And now we will show you how to put this computer back into the place. So it's actually simple. All what you need to do is just take this computer, put it back into the place where it belongs. Make sure that the clips are connected. And now you can put the connectors back into the place. We put the bottom connector first, and then we put the top connector second. That's it. You did it by yourself. You successfully put the computer back into the place.